In today's video, I'll teach you how to create triangle ID. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in triangle.canadiantire.ca. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Triangle Rewards. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now right over here you'll be able to find this option for join Triangle Rewards. What you have to do is click on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find three options. Join the Triangle Rewards program, link your existing rewards card, link your existing Triangle MasterCard. What you have to do is click on this option, join the Triangle Rewards program. Now scroll down. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create your Triangle ID. What you have to do is enter your email address and create a password for yourself. Click on the field of email address. Now what you have to do is enter your email address over here. Now click on the field of password. Now what you have to do is create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must have at least 8 characters, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, one special character. So simply create the password accordingly. Now after you do that, what you have to do is retype the password. Now after you enter the password, what you have to do is simply check on this box. You're basically agreeing to the privacy policy. If you also want to receive the promotional email, simply check on this box that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to verify your email address. What you have to do is go to new tab. Now click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Triangle has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now that particular email will be open. Over here you'll be able to see the verification code. What you have to do is simply memorize this code. Now go back to the Triangle tab. Now enter the code over here. Now after you enter the code, click on the verify option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, your Triangle ID has actually been created. You can also register for the Triangle Rewards if you want. If you want to register for the Triangle Rewards, what you have to do is simply fill in the details. After you do that, click on this option, complete registration. But this process is only for those who want to create the Triangle Rewards account. If you only want to create the Triangle ID, your ID has already been created. So like this, you'll be able to create the Triangle ID. So that is how you create Triangle ID. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.